Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new free avatar on Roblox. First of all, benefit please. So this new avatar called it is basically a dog avatar. So you can have to go to in short and go to recently created. Now you have to go to in price and set 0 as maximum. So just 0 as maximum. Click on. Now you will see this bundle called capybara. Capybara, you have to click on it, and it is a free bundle, so make sure to grab it as soon as possible. Right now I have on this bundle already. As you can see, the item is on. I just on it before it goes off sale, so just go and grab it. And guys, this is a bundle where it comes with right leg, left leg, and right arm and left arm, also with costume. Let me show you how it looks. First of all, go to an avatar. You have to go to an head and body and go to or you have to go to in characters and go to creations, not creations, so not purchase. Basically you have to go to in purchase, and now you will see this capybara bundle. So guys, if you want to make it headless, then you can do one thing. You have to go to an head and body and go to style. So there is a bundle called outline piece and outline faceless, this bundle. So if you don't have this bundle, I'll give you the link of this bundle. It is free for now and you can get it as soon as possible. So after using it, makes your bundle headless completely. As you can see, it completely makes your bundle headless, or if you makes your basically dog headless by using this bundle. So right now there's some shadow, but when you use in the game and just lower the graphic, this bundle will act as a headless. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.